Okay, learning objective today, we are having fractions. So to actually to recap and articulate what we have learned so far, building on what is taught. Next week, Saturday, is a very special week, special day. You know why? Anybody can tell me why Saturday next week is a special day? Huh? Any celebration? No, not celebration. Why? Very good. Wow, Ramus, this one is the fastest one. Very good response. It's a break for 88 tuition. It's a break for 88 tuition students and teachers. All right. But the center is still open. Teachers get to work. It's meant for you. Okay. Thank you. All right. Let's go to slide 1. Okay. I want you to put your responses. Look at the response here. Okay. The question. Okay. I'm going to type. Then later you will have to put your input. Everyone must input, including the new students. Quickly work it out. Now, if you don't have anything with you, go and take a piece of paper, rough work. But I would like you to use an exercise book to do the note taking as well. Okay, this will help you to keep all your records. Right. Hey, Casey, welcome back. Oh, I have Casey here. So I didn't see Casey's name. I thought she's coming. Right. Jada, Mia, Remus, Olivia, Sophia. I'm not too sure whether Sophia. Okay. But that's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of you here, right? Just checking. Yeah. Okay. Respond this, that. Yeah. Okay, good. Most of them got it correct. Good job. Yeah. Limit, correct. Good job. The answer is D. Okay. So for those who didn't get it wrong, please try to do them. Okay. Number 1, what we need to do is to find a common denominator. And what is the common denominator here will be 30. Okay. Why 30? Because we are looking for the lowest common multiple. So you have to times 6, times 6, times 5, times 5. Okay. And this is a sum. And that's where you get your 11 out of 30, which is part D. All right. Question number 2. May I have, okay, who got this correct? Or I should say, never mind. I'll put my input here. You put your input there. All right. It's talking about quantity, but partial of it. So it's called fraction of a set. Those who are with me, you will understand what is called fraction of a set. Here, fraction of its sets. Okay, what is the set here? The set is the noodle. The set is the 4/5 kilogram. So the set will be 4/5 kilogram worth of noodles. Okay, not worth, but then is noodles. Okay, NOODLES. All right, so what fraction of it is 2/3? Remember, we say of means you multiply. So you will have 2/3 multiplied by 4 out of 8 kg. And this will give you, numerator will be 2 times 4 is 8. Denominator, 15. Okay. So this is for option number D. D for Denmark. Okay, 4 upon 5. Wait. 4/5. 2/3. Wait. You know fraction of a set, he wanted the left. I almost forgot. So he wanted the left. So you use your 4/5 to minus what is being put lah. Okay. There's a shortcut to it lah. Later I show you. You get 4 out of 15. Okay. Why 4 out of 15? Because he wanted left. Okay, now I want to show you a second method, which this works also. Method number 2. Look here. Fraction of a set. 2. 2/3 of it. Means when I left, it must have left 1/3 of it. Right? So this is also called fraction of a set. Which set is this? Noodle. What is the noodle? 4/5 noodles. So I have 1/3 of means multiply. And then this one will give you the answer directly. And this one comes in quantity for kg. Okay, I don't understand why got so many different answers. B, 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 suddenly got C and D. Oh, C, 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 C. Okay, okay. Careful with it. Okay, please try to be very cautious in your working. All right. Question number 3. Good, Casey. All right, Casey, you must be careful with this. Okay. So I need to erase this D first. This one. Okay. Okay, okay. Sure. No problem, no problem. If I'm too fast, you need to tell me, okay? You must stop me. Very good. But that doesn't mean you copy everything without understanding. Please, make sure you also understand what you are writing. Do you have your water bottles with you? Okay, so you drink more water. If you are ready, then I go to the next question, okay? Anyone needs? Okay, thank you. Next question is 3. Okay, Q3. I want your responses now. Wow, so fast. Good. That means you are ready. Okay. Question 3, he wants you to express in decimal. Decimal cannot fraction. If you do it in fraction, what must you do? Convert it back to decimal. Okay? Let's take a look. I have 36. Okay, I'm going to put how many 0? 30 because I got thousands here. So I have this one as 0.5. This one will be 0.7. This one will be 0.03. Thousand, right? 0.003. So once you add it up, what do you get here? 3, 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 37. Okay, 37 to 03. Oh, only one response. The rest didn't do, is it? Okay, lor. You give yourself away. Haha. Okay. Can. If you need me to wait, you must text over there. Hey, this is P5 level. How come my P5 take longer than just now my P4? My P4 is much faster today. Okay. see you again Ayo, I want to 打屁股 already Next time, please please, please, please. I must say 3 times, please, please, please. Okay, I please, please, please. I put there times 3. What is it? Key in solution inside system. Okay. I want you all to say yes over here. Everyone, do you receive this message? Okay, I shall say yes. Shri shall say yes. Okay, Remus, you did very good. Okay. Corinne, remember I know you say you print out. Okay, next one. That's all. The rest didn't do Limia, do you say yes? Because you did, right? Do you? Limia, you have to key into the system. So now you have to say yes. Okay, question number 4. Express this as a decimal and to 2 decimal place. Now, usually when they have these, they are actually not divisible one. How I know? Because they want to 2 decimal place. So if they want the 2 decimal place, then what you can do is put it to 3 and more. Okay? So this one must be 2 point something. How I know? Because the 2 wholes. So now I'm going to put out the fraction 5/7. Do you remember this is called inside outside? For those who are with me since February, you will know what is called inside outside already. For those who are new, I want you to learn this inside outside. So what do you mean by inside outside? Here inside here outside That's what they meant Okay, don't be confused by where to put them. Okay, so then the next thing, 5 is inside, 7 is outside. Now I want to put a lot of zeros. I put up to 4. Why 4? Because they asked for 2. So I put it up to 4. Okay, just in case. So now I have to start division. So 0.7 minus 49. Now do not put decimal inside the long division. Only put decimal here outside on the quotient. Okay, this is called the quotient. Okay, the quotient you can put decimal. Inside don't. So 1 bring down 0. 1 times 7. Then you get a 3. Bring down 0. 4 times this, 28. Bring down 0. So this is 2 times 7, 14. Okay, and this one will go on, go on, go on. It's unlimited, right? Okay, but they want a 2 dp, right? 2 dp means 2 decimal place. So where is the 2 decimal place? Let me show you the highlight. I put this 2 decimal is here and here. Okay, probably red is a little bit of, okay, maybe I use 2 decimal, 1, 2. Okay, and I remember for those who are with me, we always use this 2 decimal, right? So we are going to do this 0.7142. Count to 2 dp. 1, 2. Draw a line, underline, plus 0. So then you will get 0.71. But when you write there, it's 2.71. Okay? And then open bracket to 2, correct. Okay, put there, correct to 2 decimal place. Okay? Then you cannot put this, you must change this to curvy bracket. And that you get 2.71. Okay, all right, do not put this. Wait, I want to respond to one of the